Tired of repetitive GitHub tasks eating into your coding time? What if an AI could handle pull requests, commits, and code checks for you? After watching this, you'll be able to configure v0.dev agents to autonomously manage your GitHub repositories, streamlining your development process, and freeing you up for more complex coding challenges. The problem: why this matters. Manual GitHub operations are time-consuming and error-prone for developers. Most developers rely solely on manual CLI commands or complex CI/CD for simple routine tasks. AI agents can now take over routine GitHub interactions, significantly boosting efficiency and reducing manual overhead. Getting set up. You'll need an active v0.dev account and a GitHub account with repository access. Connect your v0.dev account to GitHub via the OAuth process within v0.settings, then ensure the Eve agent has access to GitHub tools. Generate a GitHub personal access token with appropriate scopes, e.g. repo, workflow, and link it in v0.dev. A common gotcha is insufficient pat permissions leading to agent errors. Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Create a new v0.agent or modify an existing Eve agent directly within the v0.dev dashboard. Step 2. Explicitly grant the agent access to GitHub tools in its configuration panel, enabling repository interactions. Step 3. Define an agent task in clear, natural language, specifying the GitHub action required, e.g., monitor this repo for new issues tagged bug, create a new branch, and assign to dev team. The key variable to adjust for best results is the clarity, specificity, and detail of your agent's instructions and triggers for GitHub events. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Combine GitHub tools with other agent capabilities, such as AI code generation, followed by automated commit and pull request creation. Power user trick 2. Set up webhooks in GitHub to trigger v0.dev agents in real time for immediate responses to specific repository events. Example, new pull request opened. Explore using agents for advanced scenarios like automated code review feedback, version bumping, or even orchestrating quick hotfix deployments directly to a release branch. Real-world results. See a concrete example output. A successful agent run demonstrating the creation of a new branch, committing a file, and opening up a pull request directly on GitHub. Automating these tasks can save you significant time per week on GitHub operations, letting you focus on development. You can apply this today to automate issue triage, dependency updates, pull request management, or even simple project scaffolding. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.